Hi, welcome to SAP Business One training series on production process. I'm Taraka Javardhana, pre-sales specialist for SAP Business One. Today we are going to talk about resource groups and cost definitions. The resource module serves as an extension to the production module and together they provide a base platform for managing light manufacturing process in SAP Business One. A resource is a commodity, machine or labor, for example, used to produce goods and services. In this video, we are going to create a new resource master record for cutting machine, allocate the required resource group and cost definitions. I am logged into SAP Business One and navigate to Resource module and open up Resource Master Data. In Add mode, we are now able to add a new resource. We define the resource number and also add a description for our resource, which will be cutting machine. We then ensure that the resource type is machine. If we selected labor instead of machine, employee tab will appear instead of fixed asset tab. By setting the resource type as machine, the fixed asset tab is appear to manage this asset appropriately. We now need to select the resource group. I am selecting cutting resource group. By choosing this resource group, the default standard cost which inherited grid below automatically. These were set up when the resource group was created. We can override these properties if we drill down into the resource group. We can see here we have defined the resource type and the component below related to the resource, whereby, for example, for each time based on the unit of measure defined for this machine, if the machine is run, the stamping cost is 20 rupees and cutting cost is 25 rupees. If there is any additional cost required for this resource, we can update the resource group to manage the additional cost. In addition, we can split the resource cost into different cost types. For example, the GL accounting setup for each cost allows it to be posted to a corresponding GL account separately for that cost. We then need to select our appropriate issue method, which is backflush. Choosing backflush, components are automatically issued to the production order. There's another issue method, which is manual. The manual issue method allows you to issue components manually, often used when components are required serial or batch number. Then finally, by clicking on Add, we can create new master record, allocate required resource group and appropriate cost definitions. In my next video, I will explain resource unit of measure and runtime calculation. Thanks for watching.